Was huge on Kenyan media.
He was.
He was, yeah, unfortunately, no, he rested, but then Kenya knows about Kantai a lot. And you mentioned Kantai anywhere, heads will turn, especially guys that grew up in the 90s, they know him.
I bet.
Oh, definitely, yes. And then this um, surprises. I'm at your grandma's for work, and mom stops me, says, "Are you from Kenya?" Yes, I am. And then mentioning Kantai, any Kenyan would know. Then Lemayan and Lengai, those are Masai names, and now take it up from there.
Just tell them about your dad.
Yeah. I'm his son. Chris Kentai's son. My dad. I'm from America, and I love my family. I love God. God comes first. God is so real. All right, bye.
He's shy.
Before you go, because I got mom here, and mom says they met in Gong, married in Gong. That's mom. That's Kantai's. What's the title?
I was his wife.
This is Kantai's wife from America. Kantai, the rapper from Ngong in Kenya, and that's the son on phone here. And I must say, America has given me the best interview as yet, because this is a huge surprise and it's going to be real on YouTube. This is Kaka, and I'm going to be giving you much more on YouTube. We could do a longer interview, hopefully, and if not, it's been a pleasure meeting you.
Yes.
All right, correct. I'll call you a little bit later, okay?
Yeah.
All right, love you.
Love you too, Brian.
Bye-bye.
Hi. What do you want me to say?
Yeah.